Yo and hello guys, Moonlight Butterfly Miku, and welcome back to my book reading of FN Exams, the very best totally wrong test answers. So the next subject we're gonna jump right into is physics. I'm sure you all remember physics. I took physics once and I was so confused. I really was. I failed. But anyway, without further ado, let's go jump right into some of these weird answers. So, let's see. Steve is driving his car. He is traveling at 60 feet per second, and the speed limit is 40 miles per hour. Is Steve speeding? He could find out by checking his speedometer. Oh, man. Wow. Okay. Explain the word momentum. A brief moment. Not exactly, sir, but okay. Explain the shape of the graph. It curves with a higher bit at the end and a rather aesthetically pleasing slope downwards towards a pretty flat straight bit. The actual graph itself consists of two straight lines meeting at the long left-hand corner of the graph and moving away at a 90-degree angle. Each line has an arrowhead on the end. You literally just described the entire... Wow, okay. Well, that was a pretty accurate description, though. What was Sir Isaac Newton famous for? He invented gravity. Okay, you weren't too far off with the gravity part, yes, but he didn't invent it because gravity isn't something you invent. It just exists. He discovered it when the apple hit him on the head. That's what you meant to say. Is the moon or the sun more important? Good question. The moon gives us light at night when we need it. The sun only provides light in the day when we don't. Therefore, the moon is more important. Okay. Moving along. Write the first and second laws of thermodynamics. I don't know that one. First rule of thermodynamics is you do not talk about thermodynamics. Second rule of thermodynamics is you do not talk about thermodynamics. Nice reference. I like that. That was pretty clever. Many people don't like eating radiation-treated food. How could a food scientist prove that radiation-treated food is safe? By eating some. Wow. So you're trying to kill the scientists? Oh, I cannot. Okay. Moving along. Name an environmental side effect of burning fossil fuels. Fire. Wow, these people. Describe what happened during the Big Bang. A lot of noise. Wow, okay. Why do some researchers believe that living close to a cell phone tower might cause poor health? You might walk into it. Done. Done. Give the names of two gases that might contribute to global warming. Bottom gas and cow burps. Wow. Hannah sprays her new bike purple. The spraying of the bike gives it a negative charge and the paint is a positive one. Why is this? Positive, spraying is easier than using a paintbrush. And negative, purple isn't a good color for a bike. Says you. Oh boy. Mobile phones are very popular. Give one advantage and one disadvantage of owning a mobile phone. Advantage. You can order takeout for your school lunch. Disadvantage. Your parents can get a hold of you at any time. You can order your takeout for your school at lunch. Wait, I said I got it back, but you can order takeout at lunch. No, you cannot. I can't. I am done with these answers, man. I can only imagine how worse it's gonna get. I can only imagine. Oh man. What does a transformer do? It can go from being a robot to a sports car in 3 seconds. Not that transformer. Not those. It's a different one. Give an example of a step-up transformer. An exercise machine. Wow. Oh. Give a reason why people would want to live near power lines. You get your electricity faster. Curious. Give 3 ways to reduce heat loss in your home. 1. Thermal underwear. 2. Move to Hawaii. 3. Close the door. Oh my goodness. Interesting. When a star's life cycle is over, there's a possibility that it will become a black hole. Describe a black hole. Something very dark in the ground, and it looks like this. Oh my goodness. What instrument do you use to measure temperature? A trombone. A what? No, not a trombone. That's a musical instrument. They're not talking about musical instruments. They're talking about scientific instruments. And you mean a thermometer, not a trombone. Oh my goodness. Wow. Describe the shape and structure of the Milky Way. I see where this is going already. It's kind of like a long, bumpy rectangle. It's completely covered in milk chocolate, but inside there are 2 delicious layers, chocolatey nougat and caramel. We're not talking about the candy bar. We're talking about the Milky Way in space, the constellation in Milky. You know what? That's it. I think my brain that had enough. Oh, wow. Yeah, okay. Yeah. My brain had enough. So, that was physics, guys. And our next subject that we're going to go into is my least favorite subject of all time, math. So this should be really good. So tune in for that. If you like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. And I'll see you guys in the next chapter. So until then, this is Moonlight Butterfly Miku saying bye, guys.